Garlic is a staple ingredient found in kitchens around the world and has been valued for its culinary and medicinal properties for thousands of years. Its rich history dates back to ancient civilizations, where it was not only used to enhance the flavor of dishes but also for its reputed health benefits. From the time of the Egyptians, who fed garlic to their laborers for strength, to its use in traditional medicine across various cultures, garlic's versatility is truly remarkable. Nutritional profile of garlic. Garlic is a nutrient-dense food, providing a range of vitamins and minerals essential for good health. It is relatively high in calories, containing approximately 100 calories per 100 grams, but it is unlikely that anyone would consume that much garlic in one sitting. Instead, garlic is typically used in smaller amounts, making it difficult to gain weight from its consumption alone. Garlic is particularly rich in several key nutrients. 1. Vitamin B6, important for metabolism and brain health. 2. Manganese, plays a role in bone formation and metabolism. 3. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects against cellular damage. 4. Vitamin C, supports the immune system and skin health. In addition to these vitamins and minerals, garlic is packed with allicin, a sulfur compound that is responsible for many of its health benefits. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, making fresh garlic more beneficial than dried or cooked forms. Health benefits of garlic. Garlic has been credited with a wide range of health benefits, many of which are supported by scientific research. Boosting immunity. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. Regular consumption may help prevent colds and infections by enhancing the body's defense mechanisms. Heart health. Garlic has been shown to support cardiovascular health. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart function. The antioxidants in garlic also help reduce oxidative stress, further supporting heart health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease and cancer. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic is effective against various bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Some studies suggest that it can be as potent as certain antibiotics, making it a valuable tool in fighting infections. Blood sugar regulation. Garlic may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for those with diabetes. Digestive health. The prebiotic properties of garlic can promote a healthy gut microbiome, aiding digestion and overall gut health. Detoxification. Garlic has been found to enhance the detoxification processes in the body, helping to eliminate heavy metals and toxins. Garlic in folk remedies. Throughout history, garlic has also been used in various folk remedies. Its reputation as a natural cure-all has led to numerous home remedies, such as garlic for coughs. Mixing garlic with honey is a common remedy for coughs and colds. Honey adds soothing properties, while garlic boosts the immune response. Garlic paste for insect bites. A paste made from crushed garlic can be applied to insect bites to reduce swelling and irritation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic foot soak. Soaking your feet in water infused with garlic is believed to help eliminate toxins and improve circulation. The tradition of placing garlic under your pillow. One intriguing tradition involves placing garlic under your pillow to enhance sleep quality. This practice has been passed down through generations, especially among those who struggle with insomnia or restless nights. The sulfur-containing compounds and strong aroma of garlic are thought to have a calming effect, helping to soothe the mind and promote relaxation. While the scent of garlic can be quite strong initially, many find that they become accustomed to it after a few days. Soon, the aroma may not be as noticeable, and the benefits of improved sleep can outweigh the initial discomfort. A relaxing garlic drink for better sleep. Another effective way to enjoy garlic's sleep benefits is by preparing a soothing drink. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1. 1 glass of milk. 2. 1 clove of garlic, crushed. 3. 1 teaspoon of honey. Directions: 1. Combine the crushed garlic and milk in a saucepan and heat until boiling. 2. Allow the mixture to boil for about 3 minutes, then remove it from heat and let it cool. 3. Once cooled, add the honey and stir well. 4. Drink this mixture around 30 minutes before bedtime for optimal results. This warm garlic milk not only helps to relax your body but also provides essential nutrients that can contribute to a better night's sleep. Cooking with garlic. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial for your health. Here are some popular ways to use garlic in your cooking. Garlic butter. Mix minced garlic with softened butter for a flavorful spread on bread or a delicious addition to steamed vegetables. Garlic roasted vegetables. Toss your favorite vegetables with olive oil, minced garlic, and herbs before roasting them for a flavorful side dish. Garlic infused oils. Create your own garlic infused oil by simmering whole garlic cloves in olive oil. This oil can be used for cooking or as a dressing for salads. Garlic in soups and stews. Adding garlic to soups and stews enhances flavor and boosts the nutritional content of the dish. Conclusion: garlic is much more than just a seasoning. It is a powerful ally for your health. From its rich nutritional profile to its extensive health benefits, garlic can improve various aspects of bodily functions and promote overall well-being. Whether you're using it to enhance flavor in your meals or utilizing its medicinal properties, garlic is truly a remarkable ingredient. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and health tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.